Hello, and welcome to Ocean Academe Calculus 12. Application of derivatives, example 5. Given revenue of R of x equals 5 log x plus 1, and cost of C of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 5, what production level of x units in thousands will maximize profit? So we know that profit equals your revenue minus your cost. So in other words, we have 5 log x plus 1 minus x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now in order to do this question, we need to take the derivative of this. So we've got the first part of our equation is a product, so we need to employ our product rule. So I'll just illustrate this to the side here. Our f of x will be 5. Our g of x will be the log x plus 1. Our f prime x will be 0. And our g prime x will be 1 over x plus 1 times the derivative of x plus 1, which is 1. Now this is a diagonal situation, so starting with 0, we've got 0 times our log, x plus 1, plus 5 times 1 over x plus 1. Then we need to take into account our second part. So here we take the derivative, so that's going to be 2x plus 4. Now let's expand this. This will all be 0. So we've got 5 over x plus 1 minus 2x minus 4. Now ultimately what we want to do is solve for x. So let's set this equal to 0. Now we've got 5 over x plus 1, and let's move the rest of it to the other side. So that's 2x plus 4. Now we need to get rid of the x plus 1, so we'll multiply each side by x plus 1. And we get 5 equals, and then expanding this, 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. And moving the 5 over, we get 2x squared plus 6x minus 1. Now we still need to solve for x. So let's do the quadratic formula. Just going to do this over to the side. So our quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where this is a, this is b, this is c. So plugging in our values, we get minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 1 all over 2 times 2. Plugging this all into our calculator, we get two values. We get a positive 0.158 and we get a negative 3.158. Now we can't have negative units. That one just does not make sense, so we just disregard it. So we've got 0.158. Now the question reads in thousands. Our x unit is in thousands. So multiplying this by 1,000, we get 158 units.